Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from collegedunia.com. Today I am at President Science College at Sayana campus, which is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Today we are having with Professor Bindiya Bavaria ma'am. She is a HOD in the Department of Physics. Hello ma'am, welcome to our education portal College Dunia.
Hello.
So ma'am, starting with the questionnaire session. My first question to is, being a HOD of a physics department, what are your roles and responsibility toward the students?
So being an HOD of the physics department, my first aim is that students can have better experience of education in each and every way. So for that, I need to know the mentality and thoughts of students so that I can interact with them and I can have their I can know about their doubts as well as their problems or anything else. Again, I have to know that they are well-being or not. Adding to that, I also need to know that whether they are comfortable with our teaching method or not. And if not, then I have to personally interact with them and try to solve their doubts as well as any other problem and change accordingly the teaching method. Again, adding into that, I have also we are in this online learning mode. We are available 24/7 for doubt solving of them. Thank you.
Very nicely explained, ma'am. So coming to the next question, how do you tend to establish healthy relations with students and fellow faculties?
Okay. So for the healthy relation with the students and fellow faculties, first I share my vision with them. What we are doing in the next upcoming semester or upcoming activity, and empower them, that is the students as well as the fellow faculty, to enhance their empower them, that is faculty and students, for their better completion of that event. I also discuss with them. I also discuss each and every necessary point, that either it is related to college or it is related to department or it is related to students with my fellow faculties. I try to adapt their ideas or their new innovations or suggestions and try to implement that for students' better perspectives.
Very well said, ma'am. So on that note, my next question is, what are the best practices offered by the department to the students which help them gain necessary skills?
Okay. To enhance the students' skill, we used to update about not only we are providing a departmental or subject-related knowledge, but also update them about what is happening in globally in physics subject. Also, we frequently plan institute visit like at IPR or PRL or ISRO or Mount Abu Observatory for their technical growth, as well as they came to know what is happening in this world. And also we update them about indoor and outdoor scientific events like seminar, webinar or workshop or training programs, etc. And motivate them to take part into that. As well as apart from this scientific events, we also motivate them to take part in this extracurricular activities like cultural activity or youth festival activities or sports activity. Thank you.
Very nicely explained, ma'am. So ma'am, coming to the next question, do you have any extracurricular activity or programs to enhance the skill of students or expose them to the real world challenges?
To expose the students' skill as well as for their betterments, we mentor students personally and guide them where they are lacking, as well as we also guide to crack these competitive exams after graduation like GATE, SET, NET, GPHC or IIT JAM, etc. And we also conduct guest lecture for their betterment, or they have interaction with the expert and then know where they have problem or what is happening outside of the world. And also to develop their personality growth, or for their personality growth, we used to conduct a seminar at every week. Thank you.
Very well said, ma'am. So ma'am, jumping to the last question, how do you help your students to cope up with the competition being so high in the outside world?
to cope up with this competition which is being high in the outside world. First, we try to know in which field students are interested. According to their interested field, we guide them to what are the basic skills which are required for their placement, as well as we also guide them what are the necessary qualifications they required at their job place and what they have to do at their job place. All this, keeping all this in mind, we used to guide them, as well as we also ready them for interview. And as we know, all students cannot cope up with the competitive exams and competitions. So those students who have not idea about outside world, for them we try to motivate them, as well as we try to introduce. We try to know that in which field they are interested, and according to their field, according to their capabilities, we used to say or we try to convey them in which field they can show their better. So this way we are tackling all this.
Very well said, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your physics department, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for being a part of college, ma'am. Thank you.